Auzu billahi minesh-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, all of you, dear students of class 11th. Today, 8th of Muharram al-Haram, 1442, dated 28th of August 2020, Jamaat al-Mubarak. I will deliver to some extent topic related with environmental energy resources. The students, you know that what energy resources are, what are renewable resources, what are non-renewable, what are our traditional resources, how can we use these very resources in alternative ways. There are many types of energy resources. So one type of energy resource is today hydraulic fracturing. Hydraulic fracturing. It is an oil and gas well development process. Oil and gas well. Gas well. It is based on water injecting method. Gas well development process that involves that involves injecting water and sand, injecting water and sand, chemicals, injecting water and sand chemicals under high pressure in a bedrock, under high pressure in a bedrock. Dear students, it's a process of drilling out shale gas in developed countries like USA. Shale gas is एक किस्म का सिलिटी पत्थर है. Shale gas, it's type of an bedrock. Shale gas. This process is drilling out shale gas in developed countries like USA. This shale gas is very popularly because its carbon emission is very low. Its carbon emission, when its carbon emission is very low, that means it is also called environment friendly. Carbon, the concentration of carbon dioxide, concentration of carbon monoxide, and concentration of other harmful gases are very low in this type of gas. USA is presently known as the world's largest producer of shale gas. USA is world's largest producer of shale gas. This shale gas is based on water injecting method in which involves injecting water, sand, and chemicals under high pressure deep into the bedrock. The International Energy Agency, International Energy Agency estimates that global reversible shale gas resources stand at 7,345 trillion cubic feet. I will repeat it again. The International Energy Agency estimates that global reversible shale gas resources stand at 7,345 trillion cubic feet. Nature gas is burned, pasteurized to spin the turbine blades to generate energy. Natural gas is burned, pressurized pressurized to spin the turbines, to spin the turbine blades and generate electricity that can be used for our day-to-day purposes. So I will repeat it again. Hydraulic fracturing gas, it is an oil gas development process that involves injecting water sand chemicals under high process in the bedrock. Dear students, it's a process of drilling our shale gas. Shale gas in like developed countries just like USA. This shale gas is very popular because its carbon emission is very low and it's called the friend of environment. When its carbon concentration is very low, when it cannot pollute the environment, that's why it's known as called as the friend of the environment. Friend of the USA is presently known as the world's largest producer of shale gas. The International Energy Agency estimates that global reversible shale gas resources stand at 7,345 trillion cubic feet. Natural gas is burned pressurized to spin the turbine blades and to generate electricity. वमा अलैना इल्लल बलागुल मुबीन. लेकिन डियर स्टूडेंट्स, एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ, आप मुझे बता दीजिए कि कहाँ पर क्या करना है. थोड़ा बहुत क्लूज लग जाएंगे. ये तो दिस वन वे प्रोसेस इज नॉट गुड. You may tell where I am right, where I am wrong, what shall we can do, what precaution measures I have to opt. وما علينا إلا البلاغ المبين. Okay.